This segment is entitled, Who Are You? And you're going to get the opportunity to take a self-assessment to learn about your natural management style and how to do what I call flexing your style, how to flex your style in order to meet other people where they're at. If you have a copy of the book, Managing for People Who Hate Managing, you can take the self-assessment on page 20, score it on page 21, and read the explanation of your results on page 22 and beyond. If you'd rather take the assessment online, for a small fee, you can go to the link that's on your screen right now, and I'll show you how to take the assessment online. So this is the first page you'll see when you go online. There's a little explanation at the beginning, and then you click on taking the self-assessment. It's a simple assessment where you have 3 points to distribute between each pair of options. So for example, if you look at the first option, a top manager displays. Now here's the most important part when you're filling it out. I want you to respond thinking about what you naturally prefer, your natural temperament, not what you think is better, not what you think makes a better manager, not what you wish you were like, and not even what you act like sometimes because you're already flexing your style. In other words, you act out of your natural type because it's going to serve you or others in an appropriate, positive way. For this assessment to be most effective, go with your gut. Go with what you prefer, not how you've trained yourself to be, you wish you were, or you sometimes pretend to be. And that's how it'll work best. So, a top manager displays. Let's say I think that a top manager does display some strength and analysis, but a little bit more empathy and concern. So I give empathy and concern 2 points and strength and analysis 1 point. If I think it's important to learn and use people's names, but it's much more important to promote logically and consistently, I would give learning people's names a 0 and promoting logically and consistently a 3, and so on. So you can go ahead and score yourself on this assessment. Again, thinking about what you naturally prefer, not what you think is best or right. And if you want to change your score, that's easy to do as well. Now you'll notice you can't go right down the middle, so there's no splitting points. Like you can't give a 1.5 and a 1.5 if you think they're equal. Can't be wishy-washy when you fill out this assessment. For some of you, filling this out is going to be very easy. For some of you, it's going to be frustrating, and you'll say, I have no idea, how could I possibly choose? Or these two options have nothing in common. That's okay. There's a reason for that as well, as we'll learn shortly. In general, the faster you fill out the assessment, the more accurate the results will be. No one will be seeing these results but you, so be as honest as you can. And then at the